Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your Bluetooth is not connecting on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. The first thing you want to make sure of is that your Bluetooth is turned on. To do so, you can go into the Quick App Store and make sure to turn it on. If you don't see it here, you can try scrolling through, possibly see if it's anywhere here. But if it is not, you can tap on this little pencil option and look around here. If it is here, you can of course just tap and hold it and drag it in there, wherever you want it to be. Then exit and it will be there. Now, once you've made sure your Bluetooth is enabled, which you can also do in settings, network and connected devices. Once you make sure Bluetooth is enabled, you can try pairing a new device if you have yet to pair with the device, or if you have already paired with it and it's not connecting properly, you can try forgetting the device and then trying to pair with it again. It's also available right here. If it's not visible in here, there is a possibility that it's simply completely discharged. So you could try charging the device up. If it's wireless earphones, you could try putting them into their case, or if they are in their case, they wouldn't really be able to connect with your phone because they need to be taken out. As you can see right now, I've taken them out so they're visible. You can try pairing with them, but if all of this doesn't work, you can try using the device that you're trying to connect to with another phone. You could ask your friend if they can connect to the same device, or you could try using a different device to check if maybe it's the problem with the device and not your phone. Basically, if the device connects on another phone, that means the problem could be with your phone. But if another devices work on your phone, the issue could be on the side of the device. Now, a way you could solve potentially some problems would be in settings under, I believe, system, reset options, and here reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then reset. This will reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, which will automatically forget all of your Wi-Fi networks you had saved, as well as all the connected devices. So you will have to try and pair with them again. But if everything else in here fails, you could also try to check if maybe you aren't connected, if maybe you have some updates that need to be done. Although to do updates you'll need to have a connection to the internet. So just make sure you connect yourself and then go into system updates and then check for updates. But if you don't have any updates pending, and well, if the device doesn't work, the device you're trying to connect, like wireless headphones, aren't working on this phone or any other phone, that might mean that the fault is on the side of the Bluetooth device, which means you'll have to take that device to a service center or just replace it. But if the problem ends up TVing on the side of your phone, which you might see by, no Bluetooth devices working on your phone. That could mean that your phone's Bluetooth hardware could be malfunctioning, which might mean that you'll have to take it to a service center. But before that, you can of course try simply restarting your phone by pressing the volume up and power buttons and tapping on restart, or in here in the quick drawer, tapping on restart to restart your phone. Or you could try going into safe mode by tapping and pressing on it to reboot into safe mode, which might take a little bit, but it will rule out third-party apps interference. Once your phone turns back on, you'll know you're in safe mode by the safe mode text in the corner. Then go into your device, turn on your Bluetooth, and then try connecting to your devices again. If Bluetooth works in safe mode but not in normal mode, that might mean one of your apps that you've recently installed could be causing the problem, which will mean you'll have to go back to normal mode and start uninstalling your apps, possibly even restarting your phone in between each app being uninstalled, and then just checking if Bluetooth works every time. You could try uninstalling them in bigger batches, and then just seeing which batch is the faulty one, and then check among them. Many ways you could try going about that. Now to exit safe mode, you can go into the power menu again, either through the quick draw or the power and volume up button, and then just tap on restart. This will boot you back into safe mode. But that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.